Hi, I'm Frida, a Class C RV.
Now some of you want to get a better look at my outsides and insides. Kind of creepy, but I aim to please, so here goes. I'm only going to do this once. Hi there, it's Patty. I'm going to give you a quick tour of our RV Frida. Frida is a Thor Freedome Elite Model 26HE. She is on a Ford chassis with a Ford E350 Super Duty 628-liter V10 engine. On the passenger side, we have the smaller of our two basement storage bays, a large window, the entry door, refrigerator vent, and the furnace vent. Here's Jim chillin' to some Jimmy Buffett. In the back, there's a ladder for roof inspection and maintenance, and storage for the Stinky Slinky. On the driver's side, you can see the larger storage bay under the slide out. The black and gray tank poles are under that. Fuel fill, an electric hookup, the water heater vent. Under that is our own generator, the propane fill, the city water connection, and the water tank fill. Now let's have a look inside. But before we do that, won't you like, subscribe, comment, and share this video with others. Thanks a lot. Okay, as you come in, here's the dinette, which folds down into a bed. That's where our puppies travel. And here's the couch, which also jackknifes into a bed. We have these lovely pull-down window shades, which are very convenient. They're not totally light blocking, but they give you plenty of privacy. Then we've got the bed up here, which we use for storage pretty much. That's about all that's up there right now, but we're planning to install a granddaughter in there at one point. And our television. We have tons of storage here up front. In fact, a lot of these cabinets are empty because this is a short trip and we're not bringing that much. But plenty of storage all throughout. And I'll give you a quick look at the cab. The seats are very comfortable. And this is a 2018, so it's just a touch behind on technology, but it works for us. Looking back this way, we've even got a broom closet. Look at that. That's where we keep the dog leashes and some brooms. And our kitchen, which we like, we have 3 drawers there and our control panel. And then we have a nice single well sink, which is so easy to use, and this great little faucet, which I really like. Have a little counter space in the back. Not much counter space. We could, install a flip up here, but we haven't needed it so far. We have a 3-burner propane stove with an oven and a microwave, which I think blew out yesterday. It stopped working. And some more storage up here. And some more storage up here. This is how we keep our paper towels. This is the dog storage. We keep our dog box up here with all the dog food and everything else we might need for our 2 little guys. And we have a 2-way electric propane refrigerator, which is plenty big enough. This trip, there's not much on it. Freezer works good, keeps things real cold. There's a wardrobe with a mirror, plenty big enough for hanging stuff and stuff like that. And 4 drawers underneath for clothing, or in this case towels. We have a really great bathroom. This is one of the reasons we chose this model, is because of the size of the shower. It's really nice. It works really well. We did add a better shower head. And here's some storage with a mirror, a little sink, and storage underneath. Just right. Oh, and I forgot to show you our pantry. So our little pantry in the kitchen with little pull-outs for stuff. Makes it really convenient. And it goes all the way back. I mean, it goes all the way back. So it's really huge. They've come up with some storage solutions for that, which I'll talk about in another video. Here's our queen size bed. No, we didn't make it. Too bad. Oh, look, there's somebody kayaking outside. Check it out. Nice. This is a beautiful lake for kayaking. And they rent them very cheaply. Like it's like $10 for 2 hours. Anyway, more storage up here too. And this is our slide out, so this bed will bend. No, I can't do it. But the bed bends up and comes in this way when the slide is in. And there's also a TV back here, although it's unplugged right now. We don't really use it, because by the time we're ready to go to bed, we're too tired to watch TV. Well, that's our quick tour. We really love Frida's big windows. It makes the place seem even bigger than it is. I hope you enjoyed our little tour, and I hope you continue to follow us on our travels. See you down the road.
Thanks for watching. Click the red button to subscribe. Click the thumbs up below to like. Click the bell to be notified of our next video. And share, share, share.